Imagine a world just a few decades from now, profoundly reshaped by intelligence unlike our own. Artificial intelligence, once a concept of science fiction, is rapidly becoming the defining technology of our age. By 2050, AI will not merely be a tool, it will be an integral part of the global fabric, fundamentally altering how we live, work, and interact. This isn't just about faster computers or smarter apps. We are on the cusp of a societal transformation driven by AI's ability to learn, adapt, and create at unprecedented scales. Let's explore the optimistic and thought-provoking possibilities that await us in this AI-powered future. By 2050, AI will have revolutionized healthcare, moving us towards truly personalized medicine. Diagnostic AI systems will detect diseases with unparalleled accuracy, often before symptoms even appear. This proactive approach will transform our understanding and management of health. Drug discovery will accelerate dramatically, with AI simulating molecular interactions and identifying promising compounds in fractions of the time it takes today. Robotic surgery guided by AI will become more precise and less invasive, leading to faster recoveries. AI will also power personalized wellness plans, optimizing nutrition, exercise, and mental health support for every individual. The workplace of 2050 will look vastly different, with AI automating repetitive and data-intensive tasks across every industry. This shift will free human workers to focus on creativity, critical thinking, and complex problem-solving. New job categories will emerge, centered around AI development, maintenance, and ethical oversight. AI will act as a powerful coworker, augmenting human capabilities rather than simply replacing them. Productivity will soar, potentially leading to new economic models and a reevaluation of work-life balance. The global economy will become more efficient, driven by AI-optimized supply chains and resource allocation. Our daily lives will be seamlessly integrated with AI, creating hyper-personalized and intuitive environments. Smart homes will anticipate our needs, adjusting lighting, temperature, and entertainment without explicit commands. Urban centers will become smart cities, optimizing traffic flow, energy consumption, and public services through AI. Transportation will be dominated by autonomous vehicles, making commutes safer, more efficient, and less stressful. From personalized news feeds to AI-curated travel experiences, every interaction will be tailored to individual preferences. This pervasive intelligence will enhance convenience and efficiency in ways we can barely imagine today. Education in 2050 will be profoundly transformed by AI, moving away from one-size-fits-all models. AI tutors will provide personalized learning paths, adapting content and teaching methods to each student's unique pace and style. This will democratize access to high-quality education globally. Students will engage with interactive, AI-generated content that brings complex subjects to life. The focus will shift from rote memorization to fostering critical thinking, creativity, and collaborative problem-solving. AI will empower lifelong learning, allowing individuals to continuously acquire new skills and knowledge throughout their lives. As AI becomes more powerful, so too do the ethical considerations surrounding its development and deployment. By 2050, robust ethical frameworks will be crucial to address issues like algorithmic bias, data privacy, and accountability. Discussions around universal basic income and the future of human purpose will intensify. Societies will grapple with the implications of superintelligent systems, ensuring that AI serves humanity's best interests. The evolving definition of human potential will be a central theme as we learn to collaborate with and leverage artificial intelligence. Our collective values will shape the trajectory of this transformative technology. The world of 2050, shaped by AI, promises a future of unprecedented possibilities. From revolutionizing healthcare and transforming our economies to personalizing education and enhancing daily life, AI's impact will be pervasive and profound. It is a future where human ingenuity is amplified by artificial intelligence. This isn't a passive journey, it's an active co-creation. Our choices today in developing ethical guidelines and fostering responsible innovation will determine the kind of world we build. The future is not just happening to us, we are building it one intelligent step at a time.